Hi and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Chantal. I will be cooking today a classic cake that my mother used to do. It's a pineapple upside down cake. I will be making this. This is going to bring me back to my childhood and I hope to bring it there too. So let's start with the ingredients. So the first thing we need to do is to open the oven at 350. And I take a little bit of a advance and I take my pan, I put a butter inside. What we need for the upside down pineapple, it's gonna make a nice caramelized crust full of sweet and sour with the pineapple. We need 1 cup of brown sugar. We need one box, so it's 398 millimeter of pineapple. So we're just gonna use the pineapples, but not the juice. The juice will keep it for something else. And we need also melted butter. So this is for the what we're gonna put on the ground of our cake, and then we're gonna make our nice white cake. It's good. Oh yeah, I forgot to the cherries too. So it's make a nice addition, and it's gonna be cute and beautiful. And for the cake, we need 2 cups of flour. We need also 1 cup of sugar. I put a little ginger, so I will put 1 teaspoon inside. 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs, and more butter. So we need the 2 tablespoons of butter. So that will be for the cake. So let's start this right now. So this will be the fun part, which is making the little crust sweet and with the nice brown sugar. If you have any bump, you can remove it. Remove them, I should say. That is our nice brown sugar. It's named cassonade in French. Just make sure there's no little bumps. So we have a nice sugar. We're gonna add our butter, melted butter. So just simply mix it. Just this smells so good. Make sure you have butter everywhere. So all the butter, melted butter with the brown sugar, you put it on the ground. Make sure there's no little bumps. And then the fun part, we put our nice pineapple slices. We have 8 slices, so we should do the full coverage. So at least everybody has 1 bite of pineapple. Perfect. We're gonna add our little cherries. In the middle of the pineapple. I have some more here. Let's make a design. Well, one is left. So here I have my 2 cups of flour, which I strain with this so it makes a nice and fine powder. I'm gonna do the same thing with my baking powder. There's no little bump. You need 2 tablespoons. Et voilà. I also will add a little ginger. So I calculated that's approximately 1 teaspoon. So we're just gonna blend this together. So here we have 2 tablespoons of butter, which we're gonna add 2 eggs inside. I'm gonna bring this all together. And then we're gonna add the sugar. It's done. Well mixed butter, eggs, and the sugar. So we're gonna bring the flour slowly and we're gonna mix it with milk. We're gonna bring this all together slowly. It's starting to have a texture of a cake. You don't want to overwork it. So once everything is incorporated, I'm going to use my spatula. So this is our nice pineapples with cherries with the nice crust of butter and brown sugar. And we're gonna add our cake on it and then we're gonna cook this. Let's do that. So let's put our nice cake mix on top. Try to put it as even as you can because we don't want to move the pineapple after. Okay, so we took all the good stuff from the cake, nice white cake. And I'm just gonna come to cover all parts of the cake so it's all even and it covers everything. Everything is covered. The cherries, our pineapples. Bring some here. So once it is nice and complete, just comme ça, it's gonna finish to make it even. So let's put this in the oven. So the oven is at 350, so 180 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit, and it will be there for 40 to 45 minutes. So we'll see the result after. So now it's time to remove the cake from the pan and put it in the service plate. So we're gonna see the magic just before, as you can see you can hear it. It made a caramel. So we really need to make sure that all the sides are done. Let's try this. Hopefully it will work. Wow. Only one little part. Stay there. Et voila. This is our nice, this is all caramelized. It's beautiful. It's gonna be very good. Little part here went away, but that's fine. Now the best part. Brings me back to my childhood. My mother was making this. This is very, very good. Bon appétit.